Kids, o tingin dito sa harap. Program, let us pause for a while for the opening prayer to be led by Krisha Gail P. Manabat, a nursery pupil, followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Teacher Michelle O. Constante, one of the preschool teachers. Please all stand.
All together, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Dear God, thank you for bringing us together today. We are grateful for our friends and from all around the world. Help us to share love, kindness, and peace with everyone. Bless teachers, families, and